my name's Brooke with WTI. I have to show you the Cecilio Mendini violin that is fulfilling a lifelong dream of mine, and that is to learn to play. I love that it comes with everything that I need. I have two bows, of course my violin, my rosin, my cleaning cloth that does a wonderful job of cleaning the debris and keeping my violin sounding beautiful. I also have 4 strings that are extra, and for my shoulder rest that attaches to the back of my violin, a chromatic tuner, and in this case it has a way for everything to fit in it nicely with a pouch on the outside as well. One of the amazing features of this violin is the fact that I can play it. My husband, with a big frame, which he has the muscles, he can play it. And my kids with the very small frame, they can play it as well. I love how beautiful this wood is, and I love the scroll. It's a beautiful violin to look at. It's a beautiful sounding violin, and it just keeps me excited and keeps me going, and my family as well, for having that creative outlook. And I like these fine tuners. I think that's a really essential detail for this violin, because if you are beginning like myself, it's easy to overdo it with these pegs. So this is a wonderful violin if you're looking for it for you, your kids, and if you're looking for a violin that's going to last for a long time that you won't outgrow. I recommend this one by Mendini Cecilio, and that's my point of view.